If you do a lot of baking, you'll probably go through a lot of vanilla. Buying vanilla extract at the grocery store will cost you about $5 an ounce, but you can make your own vanilla extract for about $3 an ounce. Why does commercial vanilla extract cost so much? What are you paying for with prepackaged and processed foods? It's mostly the labor, profits, and packaging. But if you make basic foods like this yourself, you can save a lot of money. To make vanilla extract, all you need is a couple of vanilla beans and some cheap vodka. And that's what we're going to do today, make vanilla extract. You can make any extract, or make extracts of just about anything by the exact same process. Vodka and vanilla or mint or almonds, anything you like. Oh yeah, vanilla extract. All you do is cut up vanilla beans. Cut up vanilla beans like this. The seeds and the pulp are on the inside of the bean, so you want to expose those. The Cook's Illustrated instructions have you digging out the seeds and the pulp, but I found that you end up wasting a lot of seed and pulp by getting it all over your fingers and your tools. So I just cut them and open them up a little bit, saving as much as possible because these things are expensive. Cut them up, open them up. If you get some on your knife, make sure to put it back. Oh yeah, and have a jar ready. This is the jar that I want to use. Fill it up with vodka. This is just for measuring. This jar is about 21 ounces. Jar, vodka, you can put the vanilla beans in here, seal it up, and it'll be ready in about 6 weeks. I can't wait that long because I'm going to be making cereal in about 1 week. So I'm going to heat it up. Oh yeah, when you're heating up the vodka, make sure you have a lid ready, just in case it catches fire. Oh yeah, turn your stove on after you pour the vodka in. I had this on just because I wanted to save a little time. We're going to wait for that to heat up and come right back to it. This is hot. Don't let it boil for more than a couple of seconds. When it boils, you lose a lot of the alcohol, and it's the alcohol that extracts the essence from the vanilla bean or whatever you're making extract of. So this is hot. I'm gonna turn the flame off. I've never had it happen before, but if your vodka catches fire in the pot, first thing you do is put the lid on it. You take the oxygen away, the flame extinguishes. If the flame is for some reason all over your kitchen or all over your stove, make sure you have a fire extinguisher handy. That's a good idea no matter what kind of cooking you're doing. Always have a fire extinguisher. So for the vanilla, we've got our cut up vanilla beans. We've got our hot vodka. And this jar is now really hot. So if you need to handle it with a hot pad. Put the lid on. And this will be ready, see it, if you're using cold vodka, 6 weeks. If you're using hot vodka, you can shorten that time to probably less than a week, maybe 4 or 5 days. If this is your second batch, see, this is my previous batch. And the beans are not used up. You can still use the beans. So I'm just going to add them to this batch. And I've got some seeds in there. Oh yeah, all those little teeny tiny black dots, those are vanilla seeds. Vanilla seeds are very, very small. Vanillas are orchids, and the seeds are so small that they can just be carried on the air. This will be ready in a few days. Oh yeah, and stir it occasionally, like every couple of days. Just go like that. And I'll stir. Oh yeah, and when you buy vanilla extract at the grocery store, it will always be a lot darker than this. Well, first of all, it's going to come in colored glass because light will degrade the vanilla extract. Commercial vanilla extract always comes in brown glass, but even the extract itself will be a little lighter, or will be a little darker in color. Ours is going to be a little lighter in color because we're using vodka. Commercial vanilla extract uses typically brandy, which is a brown liquid. The brandy imparts a flavor that the vodka does not impart. Your vanilla will taste more like vanilla if you use vodka. Vodka is neutral flavored. Brandy has its own flavor, and we just don't use that. There's no need to use brandy instead of vodka, except that it has a darker color, and that makes people think that it has more vanilla flavor if it's darker, but it does not. This is perfectly good. And this is what we're going to use mostly to make cereal, to make granola, but we use it for everything. Other baking, cakes, whipped cream. And this will last for, oh gosh, probably months. We do a lot of baking, and this will last for months. And I will see you next time.